dozen games.
Let's go to ringside, where our first fight is about to begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, she wowed us on BattleBox. Now she's gonna wow us here tonight. Carmen Electra!
A maestro of malevolence, Marilyn Manson!
You know the rules. Hey, fighters ready? Let's get it on.
You'll be needing some makeup when I'm through with you.
Ugly. Ugly!
Can't stop Carmen!
Let's go to ringside, where our first fight is about to begin. The tattoos on his knuckles spell, "You're next." Here's Tommy Lee, a maestro of malevolence, Marilyn Manson!
You know the rules. Okay, fighters ready? Let's get it on.
Dude, make like a tree and leaf. You're a loser.
Ooh, that one looks ugly. Ugly!
I feel rhythm coming on.
Ooh, that one looks ugly. Ugly! Fans, do not try that.